Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are in the middle of our concrete flattening video. The plan is to use an angle grinder, but it's gonna get really dusty. So I picked up this dust shroud. I don't know how to install it onto here, so this video is to figure that out. Let's do some research. Okay, if you scan this QR code, it will take you to their YouTube channel for instructions. But first, we have to take apart our Ryobi angle grinder. I really like this video by Dave Does DIY. Let's go try that out. That was pretty easy. This safety guard is held in by this latch. After I loosen this nut here, it popped right out. The blade is held in by this piece here, screws on. Once it's tightened, it will start spinning on its own. In order to get it to stop, we press this button that will lock it. So we could use this tool to tighten or loosen to get it back out. And it's pretty cool because this tool goes into the handle here. Let's figure out how to install this now. This piece came with the Ryobi tool. I'm pretty sure we install it without it because when I put the shroud here, it touches that piece, and in the instruction manual it says make sure they are not touching or the friction while it's spinning is going to melt the shroud inner piece here. It's just plastic. So let's get this off, and the shroud sits here. I need to tighten it later, but I kind of press it as far down as possible, giving us plenty of space in here. I do want to use one of these spacers that came with the shroud. I'm going with the thinnest one, and that is to give us extra threading. The wheel goes in here. I tried the thicker spacers and didn't like how there wasn't enough here to lock it in with this piece. Really like how I really like how this tool just sits in the handle. It's great. Press down this black button to lock it so we could tighten this here. So if I used one of these thicker spacers, this wouldn't sit nice and flush. This is the configuration I'm going with. I still need to tighten this part here for the shroud. Gonna go back to Home Depot, pick up an adapter to connect this to our shop vac. But video 325 done.